Setting up your Amazon Prime account after signing up is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you get the most out of your subscription. Step 1. Access your account. Log into your Amazon account using the email and password you used during the sign-up process. If you are not automatically redirected, go to the Amazon homepage and click on Account and List to find the login option. Step 2. Explore Prime benefits. Once logged in, navigate to the Your Prime membership section. Here, you can explore all the benefits that come with your subscription, such as Prime Video, Prime Music, and free shipping options. Step 3. Set up payment methods. To enjoy your Prime benefits, ensure your payment methods are updated. Go to your account, then your payments, and add or edit your credit or debit card information as needed. Step 4. Download the Amazon app. For easier access to your Prime benefits, download the Amazon app on your smartphone or tablet. This will allow you to stream videos, listen to music, and shop conveniently from your mobile device. Step 5. Customize your preferences. Visit the settings in your account to customize your preferences. This includes setting up your streaming preferences for Prime Video, managing your delivery options, and adjusting notification settings to stay updated on deals and new releases. By following these steps, you can effectively set up your Amazon Prime account and start enjoying all the features it offers. Happy streaming and shopping!